guys, welcome back to lesson number 3. In this lesson, I'll be explaining you about how to install Xampp and WordPress for your offline website. To create your offline website, to create your practice website, and this is best for the beginners. Okay, in my lesson number 1, I have explained you everything about Xampp and why Xampp is important to be learned, because you are building the front end. But if you want to be aware about how you are building, if you want to be depth about website development, then you must be aware about the back end too. So the study of Xampp is equally important. So do watch lesson number 1. Also, I have explained you about WordPress. So if you are someone who is working on WordPress and don't know something very basic about WordPress, so it's very important that you watch my lesson number 2, and this is my lesson number 3, in which I'll be explaining you everything about installation of Xampp and WordPress. So let's move on. Okay guys, so now let's proceed with installation of Xampp and WordPress. So this is the dashboard which from where I'll be downloading Xampp. Okay, so I'll be giving you the link in description. You can go and download forward. If you are someone who is using Windows, so you can download your Xampp using this box. Okay, just go here and go for the latest version, which is 7.48. okay, and click on here download. Okay, now your Xampp will be downloaded. Now for downloading WordPress, Xampp is a server, but WordPress builds a website. Okay, so now for downloading WordPress, I'll be providing you the link which is given in description. Go forward and download your WordPress. Okay, so now I'll be proceeding with WordPress download. Okay, so yes, my WordPress is getting downloaded. So you can see here clearly that my Xampp and WordPress installation is in process. Okay guys, so this is my PC download systems. Okay, so here are my WordPress file which I have been downloaded, and here is my Xampp file. Now I'll be clicking on this and I'll be setting up my Xampp. Okay, okay, so now my Xampp software has been installed, and now how I will connect my Xampp server and WordPress. So let's proceed. Go on your OS, that is your system OS. When you go there, you will get the name as Xampp. Okay, just click here and you will get a file named as htdocs. Okay, these are the normal folders which will appear in every Xampp application. Everyone who have downloaded, you will be getting such files. Okay, now for creating a website, I'll be creating a new folder here in Xampp and htdocs. Okay, so now I'll be creating a new folder named as anything. You can give your customized name also. I'll be giving my customized name to my folder. So here's my folder. I'll be naming as Komal. Okay, so this is the folder which I have created. Now moving forward, this folder is basically empty now. Now I'll be moving my WordPress files in this folder. So let's proceed extracting our WordPress files in this folder. Okay, so we have downloaded this WordPress file here. Now I'll be copying this and pasting to my folder which I have created, that is inside Xampp, then htdocs. Inside htdocs, I have been created in folder named as Komal, my own name. So I'll be pasting that here. Okay, so let's paste it. Yeah, so my folder is now extracted. Okay, now I'll extract all the folders inside this zip WordPress. Okay, so now let me extract all the files. Extract files. Okay, so now my WordPress file has been started extracting to my new folder named as Komal. Okay, so it's done now. Now you can see that inside my folder named Komal, there are two folders. So one, this zip has already been extracted, so we'll be deleting this now. Okay, the file has been deleted. Now this WordPress file, this WordPress again, this content should be inside file named as Komal. That is your file name, okay? So now let's move all these contents to your file name. So I'll be Control X, cut. This is my folder named as Komal, and I'll be extracting everything here. Okay, so here's it. Now this folder, which has already, the contents of this which has already been extracted to my folder, now I'll be deleting this too. Okay, so now here's everything, every WordPress file which you needed to develop a website. Okay, I hope the installation process, the setting of process, the setting of htdocs to your folder, the connection between connecting your server and your WordPress file, your doubts have been cleared within this. Okay, in my next video I'll be explaining you how you can set up your offline website, how you can set your WordPress website. Okay, so do watch next video. If you like this video, do let me know in the description box. Thank you.